comes free. Place the mask over your nose and mouth with a headband tightly around your head and breathe normally. You must place the mask on yourself before attending to those under your care. Your life jacket is under your seat. To use it, slip it over your head like this. Wrap the strap around the waist and fasten the buckle. Pull on the loose end tightly. Before leaving the aircraft, inflate your life jacket fully by pulling the red handle. To inflate further, blow into this tube. This light will automatically come on when the battery is immersed in water. Blow on this whistle to attract attention. Please take note of the emergency lights. In an emergency evacuation, follow these lights to the exits. Emergency exits and escape slides are located on both sides of the aircraft. Life raft will be launched at the forward and window exits. Please take note of the exits nearest to you. If an emergency evacuation becomes necessary, leave all your personal belongings behind and proceed to the exit nearest to you. For a quick and safe evacuation, follow the instructions of the crew. You will find a copy of this safety information card in the seat pocket in front of you. Please read it carefully. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for your attention.